Hello Excel Geeks! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on Excel Geek, where we make Excel easy and fun. Today, we're diving into one of Excel's simplest yet most powerful features, AutoSum. Whether you're dealing with a column of numbers or a row, AutoSum can quickly calculate the total for you with just a few clicks. Let's get started. AutoSum is an essential feature in Excel that allows you to sum up numbers in a column or row quickly. Whether you're working with sales data, expenses, or any numerical information, AutoSum can save you time and effort. Let's start with summing a column. Here, we have a list of sales figures for the week. To sum these numbers, simply click on the cell where you want the total to appear. In this case, we'll select the cell right below our column of numbers. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Editing group, you'll see a button labeled AutoSum with the Greek letter sigma. Click on it. Excel will automatically select the range of numbers it thinks you want to sum. In most cases, it gets it right. If not, you can adjust the range manually by dragging the selection. Once you're satisfied, press Enter and voila! The total appears in the selected cell. To calculate the rest of the cells, click on the cell where the sum has been calculated. Then, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until the cursor changes to a small cross. Drag the formula across the remaining cells to apply it. Now, let's sum a row. The process is just as simple. Click on the cell where you want the total to appear, which is usually at the end of the row. Then, go back to the AutoSum button and click it. Excel will highlight the range of numbers in the row. If everything looks good, press Enter, and you'll see the total for the row. To calculate the rest of the cells, click on the cell where the sum has been calculated. Then, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until the cursor changes to a small cross. Drag the formula across the remaining cells to apply it. Quick tip: you can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt + sign to quickly activate AutoSum. This shortcut works for both columns and rows. And remember, you can use AutoSum for multiple ranges by selecting multiple cells before clicking the AutoSum button. And that's how you use AutoSum in Excel to sum columns and rows. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can make your data analysis tasks much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments what other Excel features you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe to Excel Geek for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.